Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today I wanted to take a look at how to add WordPress or Joomla to your GoDaddy website. To do this you would have to log into your GoDaddy account, and then once you're in your account you want to go to the account homepage, and once you're there, that's actually the screen you see now, you want to go ahead and click on web hosting and launch. And this will take you to a new page. And what you want to do next is go to hosted domains, click on that. And right now I have two. If you have an actual domain that you need to add and you know the address, you would click on add domain and go ahead and put this there. And whatever folder you want to create, go ahead and create the folder. It'll automatically create that for all your information. Then once you're done, you would go ahead and click OK. However, I do not have a new domain name, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new subdomain just for my example. So I will go to Manage here under my account, and I'm going to go to Add Subdomain. And I am just going to go ahead and call this, let's see, WordPress Example. And I'm just going to go ahead and click OK after that. And you will see this is creating through GoDaddy, and right now it is pending. Now this may take up to 24 hours for your website to get through GoDaddy to get up, or perhaps it might take longer. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and pause, and I will check back later, and when GoDaddy's ready we'll go to the next step. Okay, now we're at the point where GoDaddy put up your domain or subdomain. You may or may not have received a confirmation email, but what I want you to do is go ahead and log in your account, and right now where it says web hosting, we want you to click on launch, which will open up a new page. And for the most part, all you need to know is go to options and settings here, go ahead and click that open, and you'll have the popular apps here. But what we want to use is either WordPress or Joomla. But for this example, we're going to go ahead and click on WordPress. For the most part, with Joomla, it works the same exact way. So we'll just go ahead and show you the WordPress way. So I'm going to go ahead and click on WordPress. Okay, and the next step is to look for your domain. So you want to click the down arrow key here, and the one I created is called WordPress Example. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And for example, you would have to go ahead and look for your domain that you created or subdomain. So go ahead and click on that, and it's going to go ahead and create a directory for it automatically. And all you have to do is create a username and password. So I'm going to call this one the username WordPress Example. And I'll use my secret password. And it'll have your email in there, of course. And the next step is, of course, is to hit OK. And this will go ahead and install WordPress, as you see. And it's currently installing it with the domain or subdomain that we created. Okay, so went ahead and installed everything, and you'll go ahead and see that it says WordPress was installed successfully. And so if we go to my site now, which is the WordPress example, it should be up and ready. Yes, you see your example with WordPress, so we know everything's working. Now the next question is, you wonder how you can go in and edit it. Pretty much you would leave your domain up here, whether it's a domain or subdomain, and you would go ahead and put the slash in, and then you put wp-admin, and go ahead and click enter. And this will lead you to your username and password. Well, our example, of course, is WordPress example, and I'll go ahead and put the password in and log in. and this will go ahead and lead you to your WordPress site and your dashboard and everywhere that you edit. So this would conclude my example of how you would go ahead and to install WordPress or Joomla on your GoDaddy site. And I appreciate you listening. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I'd appreciate it too if you could subscribe for future updates. Thank you.